am trying to get this organized so I can get back to videos. So I'm gonna have y'all with me. It's a little far back, but as you can see, it's a mess in here. So I had to redo the bedroom. So I'm gonna put my perfumes in here. There should be another one right there. I wish I could have y'all closer, but it's hard with that camera. This almost there. Dry shampoo I hardly ever use. Videos that need to be done. I do them all together. Let me know what y'all think in the thing down below. By the way, congratulations to Gloria Ortiz out of Florida. And Ashley Loves Pink out of Georgia. Gloria won the end of the year giveaway. Ashley Loves Pink won the renaming video, which I will be showing y'all the new name during this video. And then I'll wait a day. By the way, Ashley, these are two of the things you're getting. Little embroidery thing. And then your box is down here somewhere. Right here. I gotta pack all those. So we're gonna go ahead and put all that together. We gotta get all that done. Okay. Trash. Lordy, as y'all can tell, it's been rough. My mom moved 2 hours away. I'm kind of sad. I do have an update on the lump in my breast. Well, sort of. I don't have an update as much as I have a date to go see what it is. Putting makeup away. Skincare. Okay. I love this. If y'all ever, those little things. This one is the Japanese cherry blossom. It's my favorite scent when I'm around the house and not going nowhere. I got a bunch of these because Eric loves these. And I got some more soap from Tree Hut. I don't know why I still have this canned stuff because I'm not going to use it. Alright. Oh, and my friend in Massachusetts got me this. I think for my birthday. I love it. I'm going to put it up here in the background. Probably right here. Push that skincare. That skincare needs to go in the drawer. Put it right there. Alright, this skincare goes in the drawer. This goes down there. Okay. Got mascaras that technically need to go in the giveaway boxes. I think. I'm not sure if I have this Anastasia one, so I'm going to put it right there. Blood pressure machine. Put this right here. This goes up here. Gotta get all this together and figured out. Alright. Okay. I'm probably gonna throw these. This one's been open now. Put those in a giveaway. Even though it's been open, they haven't been taken out of the plastic. Little sample things. I'm trying to find a place to put the sample things because I want to start either using them. I'm going to add these. These haven't been used. They are little sweatbands. Not sweatbands. They're like when you're washing your face. But I wash my face in the shower, so I don't need those. And these are awesome. These are little heart things that turn into sponges when you get them wet. I use those for my skincare. Alright. Let's go throw that away. These little Frigo patches, I did a small video, not sure if I put it on TikTok or anything. These are really good. I currently have one on. They sent them to me. I've been using them for months, and I feel so horrible that my life has been so crazy that I wasn't able to get to it till now. So I hope the company doesn't get mad at me. I wouldn't blame them if they did, but alright, we're gonna take these down. I'll put that there. This goes here too. Okay. We're gonna clean those in a second. This goes in here. I'll make it look neater later. Okay, this one goes here because I'm using it currently. This goes up here. Find a spot to put it in. And I got this little thing for my powders off of Amazon. I'll look for the link and put it in the description box. Can't get the cologne to fit, but I'll put it right there. More samples. This one's shampoo. Okay, lotion. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Although it is this, you know what? I'll probably use these really soon because it is coming up on February. For right now, we'll just stick random items in it. Because honestly, this is mostly a video announcing the new name and just doing a pickup of these things. Show y'all how messy I've gotten it in here. Because this is the part y'all normally don't see, right? Did I forget the Method cleaner? I try to use Method in here or Miss Myers. Or honestly, just, and I need the broom, but I'll do that in a little while. Because I gotta clean the other side too. The schoolroom side. Somehow this got squished all the way over here, so I have to move it over a little. One of those things. I think because I had to put comforters and stuff in the closet. But this desk is Eric's and mine. So I'm trying to clean it. And I only put it back on here. The only thing that gets put back on here is this big mirror. It lights up. I love this thing. Look at this. It's right on Amazon. It's got this. It plugs in when I'm using it without being recording. I plug it in because I try not to turn that light on unless I have to. Alright. Honey mask. Deodorant. And another thing I do is I take this. These are my little foundation palettes. I always clean them off like this. And you're probably thinking, why are you using cleaner? You'll see in a minute. I mean, it's a non-harsh cleaner, but once I do that, I take, where is my baby? Is this it? I believe this is it. Yeah, this is it. This is a pure rubbing alcohol. And then I just let them dry. Let's wipe down the mirror. It's going to be fuzzy for now because I don't have the glass cleaner. I have white microfiber towels that are just for glass and they're different. And I love them. Alright, put this over here because this is cleaners. This little mirror goes right there. I'm going to put this little thing right there. Wiping this mirror down. Alright, we got this stuff because I'm going to have to record a video with that in a minute. This little refrigerator thing, it leaks. And I'm not sure why. So, these go with the, and Eric's in such a bad mood lately because he had to go see Nana's house. So he knows that she moved, so he's been in a bad mood because he doesn't do change well. I mean, let's face it, a lot of us don't. But him especially, he don't do change well. These go over here. Technically they go over there, but I'm not to that part yet. Alright. These are nice and clean. I'm going to stick them down here where they belong. Alright. And I love this. If y'all ever see this, the Febreze watermelon. Oh my god, it is so good. And for the final thing that y'all are waiting for, this is basically done. And now, that's the name. Congratulations. It had 12 votes because not every one of my 500 friends voted. There was 10 votes for this one and 7 votes for another one. Life with Erica and Reviews or something like that. But this is the name. Love y'all. See you tomorrow.